So you know how I said, wouldn't it be nice if Moho could do a little bit of puppeteering? Well, it turns out it can. And I just did this totally by accident by dicking around. So what you need to do, I want this guy to basically just walk through the door and leave, right? So this is the key. I'm going to start from this keyframe. This is just my starting point. I've got it set up ready to go. That's all I want to do. And then I'm going to grab the layer I want by holding onto the layer, so I can move it right. So I'm gripping and moving around. Okay, and you have to do it in this order. It doesn't work otherwise. So you grip the model or the layer that you want. Press play. And that is it. You see, like it's done all the keyframes for you, so you can actually puppeteer. Isn't that cool? That would speed things up, you know, for just quick and dirty animation. And I think it would be really good for doing previs. Suddenly, like, bang, the world has opened up. Like, Moho is going to be really good for previs because it does 3D. You can puppeteer your models, and I'm assuming you can puppeteer bones. Shall we try bones? Let's just see if we can puppeteer bones. I haven't even tried that. All right, so let's go to the control layer. Let's do the bones. I'm sure we can do that as well. Hold on to it. Hit the record. I'm talking. Oh, it does bones as well. Look. Oh, you just carry on talking. Look. Ah. Man. Let's go back and do the eyeballs. Hit the record button. The only problem with the eyeballs obviously is the controls are moving around, so you have to have the fixed controls. That might actually be a thing, yeah. But you know what? That's cool, it works. Puppeteering in Moho. Who would have thought it?